Histology of human ovary. So this is the slide of human ovary. The basic structure of human ovary looks like this. You can appreciate the germinal epithelium, which is cuboidal. Below it, you can appreciate the tunica albuginea, which is connective tissue. After the tunica albuginea, you can see the various primordial follicles. Primary follicle, this is also another primary follicle. In the slide of ovary, secondary follicle and tertiary follicle, which is also known as Graafian follicle, can also be appreciated. This is atretic follicle, which is going degeneration. You can also appreciate various capillaries. When we focused the slide on 10x, you can appreciate the corpus luteum, corpus albicans. You can appreciate various different follicles in the slide of ovary. Here also you can appreciate different follicles and the blood vessels, capillary, the lining germinal epithelium, and below it the tunica albuginea, which is the connective tissue. Identification points. The surface is covered by cuboidal epithelium. As I already told you, this is the germinal epithelium. Deep to the epithelium, there is a layer of connective tissue that constitute the tunica albuginea. The substance of the ovary has an outer cortex in which the follicles of various sizes are present, and an inner medulla consisting of connective tissue containing numerous blood vessels. So this is the outer cortex containing numerous follicles. Just deep to the tunica albuginea, many primordial follicles, each of which contains a developing ovum surrounded by flattened follicular cells, are present. So this is a primordial follicle which contains ovum and which is surrounded by flattened follicular cells. Large follicles have a follicular cavity surrounded by several layers of follicular cells. Large follicle as in tertiary follicle, which is also known as Graafian follicle, which contains a cavity known as antrum, which is filled with fluid. The cells surrounding the ovum constitute the cumulus oophrys. So in tertiary follicles, the cells which surround the ovum, those are known as cumulus oophrys. Follicle is surrounded by a condensation of connective tissue which forms the capsule of it. The capsule consists of inner cellular part and outer fibrous part, collectively known as theca folliculi. The folliculi is surrounded by stroma made up of reticular fibers and fusiform cells. So this was all about ovary. Thank you for watching.